Thank
One
you
of
so
our sponsors.
Oh, thank you so much.
I hope you like Pere.
I love. Pag yung mga manliligaw ko nung high school na binibigay sa akin. High school, plastic.
From Tuana of CRD College and also Cecil Arameta and
Jacana.
Thank you so much for having me here. I heard you have been holding this event for 26 years. And I'm just so happy to be part of it. I'm so glad to be part of it. And just being surrounded by our fellow Filipinos, I just feel at home instantly. So thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys. I'll see you later.
I don't leave, she's gonna come back. Just
I'm making a video. You guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks guys. Love you all. See you later.
thank you.
Ang ganda rin mga ma'am, no?